So this is very interesting as far as the cleanliness of a Florida air conditioner. I had this air handler and a unit next door installed 28 years ago, and they've been working great because of copper coils, and I won't go into that detail. But when I had a motor fail on the air handler next door, when I opened it up, I had never been inside there, and it was just covered. I mean, this is actually clean compared to what I saw in the other unit. And this is an area that, you see I have a UV light, but that's below the coils. So what it is if you're not getting in here, which you shouldn't really, because you got to turn off the air handler breaker and all. But what's interesting this design is there's really two screws. So this is easy to get at. When the power's off, I will unplug that, and I'll slide this whole squirrel cage out unit, and I can use warm soapy water, and I can clean up some of these areas that have had mold, dirt, and dust. Even though I do replace my filter religiously, as you can see, this is, I obviously have gotten into here before because I have taped this insulation on the door. The other unit did not have tape on the insulation, and so I knew that I had not been in there since probably original install. It's much cleaner over there, warm soapy water, and I had some motor issues where I actually might press out the motor. No, this motor's fine, but press out the motor so I can get to low pressure water and some cleansers. But yeah, this is, they don't talk a lot about this, but this is mold. It is in Florida just because of, how air conditioner works. It takes moisture out. Well, this area gets cool and cold, and the moisture collects and is a farm for mold farming.
3, 2, 1. Battled Hose Weather is a proud sponsor of
The 3-Minute Flight Instructors channel.
Adventures. Battled Hose Water. It was good enough for your father. It should be good enough for you. It cures all strains of COVID. Battled Hose Water. So delicious. From our hose to your lips. Battled Hose Water. Go to our website, get t-shirts. We have special t-shirts. Battled Hose Water, proud sponsor of
The 3-Minute Flight Instructors channel. Okay, so literally just a minute ago, I took out 2 screws. You can see there's one there, not the screws, but where the screws go. There's a flange that holds the squirrel cage. So you are seeing exactly, you disconnect the connectors. Of course, the air handler power is off. And so here's the evidence of, this isn't bad, to be honest with you. I know some of you are looking at this. This will clean up with warm soapy water. This is not nearly as bad. But now we'll go and look up. There's the heater coils. You'll recognize that, there's the heater plate, which I'll be able to take off with 2 screws as well. Carefully slide that out so I could actually get my arm up in there. And this is the duct work. Not bad, I'm telling you, honestly. Last the other unit I had that hadn't been touched, this is the first time I'm doing this, but I think I had paid a guy many years ago to do it once in duct cleaning. So let's go look at the air handler. So here's the air handler squirrel cage, and again, here's the flange, so it's really easy to come off. But you're going to be noticing that you see these specks of stuff, growth essentially, aged growth, and that is evidence of mold. You can see the spots, all the mold farming I've been doing for years here in Florida, dehumidifying my house with air conditioning, but then these steel parts and aluminum parts getting cold, and then allowing moisture to sit there for years. And so I'll clean this up with warm soapy water and a toothbrush and take my time. I won't get any. Sometimes you can press the the motor out, take this off and press the motor out, but I'm not going to go to that level. Just going to keep, you cannot get any water, and be careful of the bearings. But there you go.